Hello everyone, I'm Poornima and welcome back to Amma's Healthy Recipes. For the past few days, I have been trying out different types of tea and I just fell in love with cinnamon tea. Cinnamon has a strong yet a sweet flavor which makes it very refreshing when you have it in the form of a tea. Cinnamon are of two types, cassia cinnamon and Ceylon cinnamon. Cassia cinnamon contains a component called coumarin which is toxic and will affect liver and kidneys when consumed in larger quantity. The best and healthiest version of cinnamon is Ceylon cinnamon. Ceylon cinnamon is also known as true cinnamon, which contains considerably low quantities of coumarin, making it much more healthier than the cassia cinnamon. So make sure that you're using the right cinnamon. Cinnamon is known to have numerous health benefits, so today we are going to see the benefits as well as we are going to make the tea. Let's check out the benefits first. Cinnamon is rich in antibacterial properties which helps in fighting infections. It helps in boosting the immunity of the body. Cinnamon helps in boosting the metabolism and also reduces bad cholesterol. Cinnamon helps in stabilizing the blood sugar, which is very important in weight loss. It helps in losing the belly fat. Cinnamon helps in dealing with the digestive problems. It helps in fighting the yeast infection as well. Cinnamon helps in dealing with the menstrual cramps as well as reduce the effects of PCOS. It also helps in maintaining the heart health. Now that we have been through the benefits, let's start making the cinnamon tea. You can also use honey instead of jaggery. I really feel that the tanginess of the lemon goes well with the sweet flavor of the cinnamon. Our cinnamon tea is ready. If you enjoyed this video, then subscribe, like, comment and share. And also press the bell icon to receive notifications once a new video is uploaded. See you soon with a new video. Until then, bye.